With the index file open, we can start making changes to the theme to suit our needs. We won't go through each block of code because by now you're most likely quite familiar with Bootstrap and HTML. The HTML code is also well commented, and each section of the page is clearly marked. So for example, line 14, you can see there's a comment for the Bootstrap core CSS. Same with the custom CSS fonts. The navigation code block starts at line 38. And so you can see that if you scroll down the page, it's very simple to understand. And you likely by now do have an understanding of what these code blocks mean. Let's go through a list of modifications we need to make to the home page. So I'm just going to shrink this window. And this is our index.php page. I also have the completed file here so we can compare. The first thing we need to update is the main title. So this page title right over here, it needs to change to the perfect cup, home. We also need to change this text from business casual to the perfect cup. Next, if we scroll down a bit, we'll need to change this block here. Business casual needs to change to the perfect cup, and also the author needs to change to your name, or you can use a sample name if you like. Scrolling down the page, we'll need to remove this entire content text box. We no longer need it. We only need one. We'll need to make changes to the first content text box. This title needs to change, and also the text in here needs to change as well. On the footer, we'll need to change the text Your Website 2014 to the Perfect Cup 2016. And lastly, for the navigation menu is the same on each page. So all of these pages, home, about, blog, and content, have the exact same navigation menu. It would be a good idea to place the code for the navigation menu in a separate file. We can then include this file on each page. This makes it much easier to make changes to the navigation menu in the future. We would simply need to modify the included file, and the updates will be reflected on all the pages at once. So instead of having, say for example, we wanted to add an extra link, instead of changing the code on every single page, we simply make the change to the included file, and all the pages will automatically update.